This is OnePlus Nord N30, and today I will show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, we will need to find and launch the calendar app. Then select the date of your event. Onwards, tap at this plus icon, choose an event option from the list, set the event title, time frames, time zone, repetitiveness. You can also invite some other people, thus participants, add the link to the video conference, set location, configure your notifying preferences, pick the color for this event to have at the calendar so you will be better able to tell it apart from all other calendar stuff you have going on. Then you can write a brief description or attach a file. Then hit the save button and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.